students, now we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of class 10, that is double circulation. Human heart is four chambered. It has four chambers, two auricles and two ventricles. The upper two chambers are auricles, whereas the lower two chambers are ventricles. When I am standing like this is my left side and this is my right side. So here I am writing left auricle, left ventricle, right atrium, right auricle, right ventricle. Now, this is our lungs. Our lungs receive oxygen through alveoli. So, oxygenated blood will reach the heart, then this oxygenated blood will be pumped to our body parts. Now, what happens is our body parts, each cell of our body part is releasing CO2 which needs to be released out of the body. So, deoxygenated blood will now be pumped to our heart, then this deoxygenated blood will reach to our lungs and therefore we exhale out CO2. So how this happens is in the process of double circulation. So whenever I say artery, we mean away from the heart, and whenever I say vein, it would be towards the heart. One more thing, whenever I say pulmonary, we mean it lungs. So when I say pulmonary vein, pulmonary means from the lungs and vein means towards the heart. So pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Then this oxygenated blood will be carried forward to body parts. Away from the heart, it would be an artery which is aorta. Then body parts, as we have already studied.
Glucose converts to pyruvate, and pyruvate in the presence of oxygen forms carbon dioxide, water and ATP.
But we need to release of CO2. So deoxygenated blood, that means blood rich in carbon dioxide, will be taken by vena cava, which is a vein. So it will be taken to the right auricle of the heart, then it comes to right ventricle. This blood will be carried forward by an artery away from the heart, so artery, but it is moving towards lungs, so it would be pulmonary artery. Now our topic was double circulation. We can divide this circulation in two parts. One is pulmonary circulation and another is systemic circulation. Pulmonary means lungs. So carrying deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs, getting it oxygenated and moving forward to left atrium. This is your pulmonary circulation. In this we are connecting lungs and heart. Lungs and heart. So this is your pulmonary circulation. In systemic, what happens? From left ventricle to body parts, from body parts to right atrium. That means we are connecting heart and body.